313, part 32 of the simpler auto tile shader. We can see we have these different colors for the different tile values. And let's get into the code for how that is. In the top level constant macros, a tag define things easier. And then we have these debug colors right here. But guess what? We're not using these colors at all for reasons. Let's continue. I wanted to find this section easier, so these are the production colors. Here's a tag to find it easier. We're not using these either, just wanted to find this stuff. Here's a debug macro file here, artgirl fragbug, and debug number 1 is turned on. Artgirl macros, we've added all of the values 0 to 16 with 2 places. Shader 6, we tagged tile palette here and here because I needed to reference this code for what I was doing. In Shader 7, the shader we're working on, within the select the frontmost tile section, we're going to grab the tile, 0 to 15 inclusive, and then we're going to tint it a certain color depending on what its value is, 0 to 15 inclusive. So we're going to use this for RGBA, full intensity, and then these different ramping values for the other color channels. Down here is where we're selecting the final fragment color. So if we're 0 for the tile value, we're transparent or there's nothing there. So we're going to go with the original color. Otherwise, we have our group for our red, green, and blue. So you see the float vec 4 for all of these. Then we want to tint by layer. So if we're on the first layer, we're going to make things darker. The middle layer, we're going to keep it the same. And the bottom layer, we're going to make everything lighter. And this is an air color. We need to undef our macros for this section here. And we also need to undef our macros for this section here. In Eddy Game, we have just some tags to find these brush values a little bit easier. Here's what I did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. You can get the source code here. Like and subscribe.